guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to take you along with me as I go to the grocery store and get some of my food for our 3 different events that we're doing. I'm doing a Christmas bake-off. We do our Christmas Cookiepalooza, and you'll see a little bit of that in another video. And then I'm getting my food for Christmas Eve and Christmas. So come along with me as I go shopping with my crazy husband who's trying to hide from the camera. Alright guys, I use the same planner that I've used in my other videos, but this time, instead of doing on my regular menu, I went back to my gathering section. So I've got my Christmas Cookiepalooza and the things I was planning on making. For my Christmas Eve brunch, we do more of a potluck style, so we have everybody bring a little something, but my husband and I kind of make the make a few dishes, and then we provide everything for the mimosas and Bloody Marys. And then for Christmas, I just did a small one because we don't need a full thing, but these are the 4 items that I'm providing for Christmas. And then obviously, I've already done my grocery list. It's the same way as the other list is, and I already ripped that off. We're at Kroger Marketplace. It's really cool. They have all sorts of stuff like candles and home products and toys and everything. So they have all sorts of stuff. I get distracted really easily here.
Mimosas this week.
Okay. Mark that off my list. And we're done, finally. Hey guys, so we're back from the grocery store now. I've organized everything just to show you guys. I don't really do this when I come home from the grocery store. My husband was joking me, so I wanted to make sure that I practice that.
She does this.
I do not. But I wanted to show you all the stuff that we got, and we got this all for about 170 bucks. So we were budgeting about $200. This is 3 different events. Like I said, it's the Cookiepalooza, it's our Christmas Eve brunch that we do, and then our Christmas Day, I make some stuff for Christmas. So we need a lot of eggs for all the stuff that we've got, and we need a lot of butter for all of our recipes. So for our Christmas Eve brunch, we always do mimosas. This year I'm not going to partake, but I still want to provide it for everyone. So we got champagne, the cran apple, and then we got pineapple juice and orange juice. And once it gets a little bit closer, I'm going to buy some fruit, fresh fruit, to put in the mimosas as well. And then what else for that? Oh, I make homemade cinnamon rolls. So I have some of the sugar, I got brown sugar, flour, regular sugar, and powdered sugar, the active dry yeast for that, and for some of my other recipes as well. I'm going to be making fudge this year, so I've got that semi-sweet, the puffs, and then this evaporated milk. I'm also going to be making toffee, so I've got this, the dark chocolate, and then the almonds. There's some other ingredients, but I didn't need them because I already had them. And then I'm gonna be making for our Christmas brunch, I'm making some hash browns. I'm actually going to make the hash browns from, it's a hash brown bake from Cracker Barrel. So you need the hash browns, some cheese, cream of chicken, and there's some other ingredients in there too, eggs and stuff like that. But I got some of that I got the ingredients for that. Every year my great aunt would make our broccoli and rice dish. So I bought the stuff for that because I'm going to continue that tradition on Christmas Day. So you need cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, and then the broccoli florets. She also makes this awesome dip, so I bought the stuff for that. One of the things that I've always made every year is our breakfast bake. And once it gets a little bit closer, I'll get the bread for that, but I didn't want to get it too far out. But we've got, I did hot and then original sausage this year, and then we have the cheese that goes with that. And then for our brunch, I got some bacon and sausage. For tomorrow, for our Cookiepalooza, I'm gonna be making the ham and Swiss rolls that you put the sauce on the top and you bake them. They're delicious. And then I'm making my great aunt's famous recipe that's very easy. It's meatballs, so I'm making that in the crock pot tomorrow morning. And then I bought some chips because I have some dip that I'm gonna use. And then what else do we get? We got some extra stuff here. It's that time of year, so you need eggnog, cinnamon rolls, and then we just needed a few of these items too, but we also need some of this baking soda for some of our recipes. And then our favorite is our Homestead Creamery. What is this, a custard? Yes, yep. It's delicious.
Holiday custard. If
Holiday custard.
In the Virginia area, West Virginia, Kentucky, you probably can get it.
It's delicious. And then, of course, this pregnant girl needs pickles, so we got the humongo jar of pickles. So I think that's everything I got. I got a few things that I have to pick up once it gets a little bit closer, but this is my haul for my 3 big events that we're doing for Christmas. Thank you so much for coming along. I hope that you enjoyed this, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you again soon.